Welcome to Golden Flower Healing Qi Gong. I'm Rupa and I'm going to share with you some beautiful practices from this, which are designed with movement and stillness. They come from ancient traditions where the body and mind were seen as one, and they help with our general health and well-being. Just follow along and enjoy without too much effort, and I'll explain everything. We begin in the standing position. Our feet are shoulder width apart. Relaxing your feet so that they connect to the floor or the ground, wherever you're standing. It's important to keep ourselves grounded. We come up the body. The knees are unlocked and the tailbone is tucked under very slightly, as if you're about to sit down on a tall stool. Coming up, we relax our shoulders, letting our arms hang loosely at the sides, and bring the chin slightly forward to the chest, as if you're nodding to say yes. And then we feel at the top of the crown, or imagine a string pulling us upwards. And at the same time, we're connected and grounded to the earth. In Qi Gong, this is called standing between heaven and earth. And we begin raising our hands up the front, palms facing the ground up to shoulder height, and then leading with the fingertips, coming down. Breathing in and breathing out. This has an amazing regulating effect on our physiology, our physical functions, and our well-being. And this time we bring our hands above our head and open, letting the breath travel around the body. One more. And then we change, bringing our hands around the front, making a ball of energy in front of the heart. We open to the sides, breathing in, and bringing the hands back as we breathe out. This is called expanding the chest on the top of the mountain. So we feel our chest expand and we feel our center at the same time. One more. And coming back, bringing the hands down, facing the floor. We bring the arms around, meeting above the crown without touching. Knees are unlocked. We turn at the waist, bringing the hand down to shoulder height, and then coming back to the center. Turning to the other side, bringing the hands back to the center. We do this a few times. This is called painting the rainbow, so you can visualize the rainbow between your hands, opening and closing, turning to the side. And one more. And then turning the palms outward, we open. Feeling the downward movement in the feet as they relax, and then crossing in front, opening again. And then bringing now one hand to face the floor, and the top hand faces up. We bring the top hand up in front of the body, a short distance away from the body. Up to the throat level, we turn the wrist and bringing the hand up. The palm is facing the sky and the other palm is facing the earth. We bend at the waist very slightly. This helps to open the side channels of the body. And then coming back, making a big circle, palm facing down, coming into the center below the other hand, which the top hand turns up. And we do this on the other side. Palm up to the throat, rotating, facing the sky. Opening to the side. Coming back. And this time, both palms turning upwards. We bring them up on either side of the center. Up to the throat, rotating, and palms facing the sky. And open. Relaxing the feet and the hands. We bring the hands up again, this time to the heart level, and turn the palms, extending the arms out to the side as if you're opening the giant screen, and letting go. And we do this one more time. Coming up the center, rotating at the throat, palms facing up, feet are relaxed on the ground, and we open the arms, circling around the body. Coming back to the center, up to the heart, turning the palms, expanding sideways, and letting go. And we finish with energy washing, bringing the palms up above, palms facing down towards the ground. Slowly coming down like a big wave, bringing in light, making space, and nourishing, and letting go through the feet, through the hands. And we do this again. And this time we cross our hands without touching the body, nourishing our center. Coming back to our standing position, connecting with the earth. We finish with the Taoist bow. We make a loose fist with the right hand and an open palm with the left hand. And then bending forward slightly, bringing our hands together in front of the heart, gathering energy with gratitude. We then open our hands, expanding, connecting, and sharing. Letting go and connecting to the earth. Well, thank you for joining me. And if you'd like to join my online Qi Gong classes, just send me an email. And I hope to see you soon.